No way.
Oh my God. What happened?
Dude. No way. It's about time.
What do you think about that, dude?
You gotta, there's no way that just happened.
I wasn't even aiming.
I hope you were.
Oh, you did good. You got him.
What do you think about that, dude?
Yes, it's about time. You worked for that one, didn't you?
No way. Dude, I didn't
Unreal,
have my
dude.
mask on. I'm like, dude, they're
Me
coming.
neither.
It's coming right now. Unreal. No way. There's no freaking way that I just seen that happen. Unreal.
Keigh got his first turkey this morning, finally. We've been at it for a few years now, and he couldn't seem to connect, and today it worked out picture perfect. We actually came to this piece. I got permission to hunt from a friend of mine at work, and we had no idea where the birds were at. We came out here completely blind. I drove out here last night just to try to see if I could see anything or see where they were roosting. I didn't see a single bird, so we just kind of came out here with a hope and a prayer, and we got here first thing, didn't hear a single gobble. Walked halfway across this field and we heard one fire off, so I put the decoys up, and Seth and Keigh got sat down, and they started coming before we could even get face masks and gloves on. And we had a hen come by at probably 20 yards. Then the strutter came right behind her. He shot her at like 10 yards. I didn't even have my face mask on. I don't even know how it worked. No idea. But he got him, so that's all that counts.
What do you think, buddy?
What do you got to say?
I'm just excited.
That's a good first turkey.
This is the first time in forever.
Yeah.
What I've been waiting for.
All your life.
Yep, this is
guess-
what life's all about, isn't it?
Yeah.